Hello, my name is Jeff Wheat, the Parts and Equipment Manager for Specialty Products. Today we will discuss using your existing spray foam or polyurea equipment for concrete slab lifting applications. It is SPI's pleasure to present an overview of equipment and how to configure your current equipment for concrete slab lifting applications. If you own spray foam or polyurea processing equipment, you are not out of the realm of doing concrete slab lifting as well. Most polyurea or foam machines can process concrete lifting foam with fast to slow reactivity profiles. Concrete slab lifting is accomplished by using specially formulated polyurethane foam that is pumped underneath the concrete slab. The foam is what is actually lifting the concrete slab, and your proportioner is one of the tools used to deliver the foam underneath the concrete. When using polyurethane foam for concrete lifting, the method to get the foam under the concrete is fairly simple. Using a concrete roto hammer, drill a 5/8 inch hole into the concrete. Then, what is known in the industry as an injector or packer port is inserted into the 5/8 inch pre-drilled hole. It is good practice to use a clamp to fasten your application gun fluid block to the injector port in order to minimize the chance of a leak during the foam installation process, or in the event the foam pressure travels rearward up the injector port. The specialized foam is injected underneath the concrete slab at temperatures much lower than what is used when applying most polyurea systems. However, these temperatures are very near those used for processing spray foams, which are typically 110 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the blowing agent used in the foam chemistry. As with all products used, you should reference your supplier's technical data sheets for processing parameters, including heat and pressure settings. Typical dynamic pump pressures would be in the 1200 to 1300 psi range. The types of spray or pour guns used are referred to as air purge or mechanical purge. While air purge type guns are most widely used for spray foam applications, they can be used for concrete slab lifting as well. A pour nozzle attachment is added on the front of the gun that would be inserted into the fluid entry side of the injector port. As noted, both the air purge and mechanical purge guns are used for concrete slab lifting. There are some drawbacks when using an air purge gun for concrete slab lifting. There is an increased chance of experiencing a gun crossover when the trigger is released, which allows the foam to travel rearward into the gun and plug the passageways. When using a mechanical purge gun such as Graco or Gusmer's GX7A or PMC's PX7, when you release the trigger on the gun, the mechanical rod purges the mixing chamber and physically restricts the foam from traveling rearward into the gun fluid passageways. SPI prefers mechanical purge guns be used when performing concrete lifting applications. When using any of the guns for concrete slab lifting, a higher output mixing chamber is most commonly used. The average mixing chamber size used for concrete slab lifting is one that produces an output of 15 to 25 pounds per minute. Mixing chamber size is dependent on your specific application. This concludes the equipment overview and how to configure your current equipment for use in concrete slab lifting. For guidance on how to install polyurethane concrete lifting foam, please consult SPI or look for another How Do I with SPI educational video. Thank you.